Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a really useful feature inside QuickBooks, how to run an aged receivables report. If you've ever wondered who still owes you money, how long they've owed it, or you just want a quick way to stay on top of your cash flow, this report is a lifesaver. Stick with me because by the end, you'll know exactly how to generate, customize, and even save this report for future use. Let's dive right in. The first step is to access the Reports menu. From your QuickBooks main dashboard, look up at the top and click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores all of its reporting options. Next, we're going to focus on the Who Owes You section. Under this category, you'll see two key options: Accounts Receivable Aging Summary and Accounts Receivable Aging Detail. The summary report gives you the big picture, how much is owed to you, grouped by aging periods like 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90, and so on. The detail report, on the other hand, breaks it down invoice by invoice. This is especially helpful if you want to see which customers are behind and exactly which invoices are overdue. Now, once you've selected a report, you'll want to take advantage of QuickBooks customization tools. In the top left of the report window, click Customize Report. Here you'll find options to really tailor the information. Under General Options, you can change the report date. This lets you view receivables as of a specific date or just use today's date for the most current snapshot. You can also adjust the aging periods. For example, if you want to see balances in 15-day increments instead of the default 30, you can make that change here. Customizing ensures you're getting the exact view of your receivables that makes the most sense for your business. Finally, once you're happy with how your report looks, you have two great options. You can save it so that next time you can pull up the same customized version instantly. Or if you prefer to work outside QuickBooks, you can export it to Excel and share it with your team or accountant. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can see exactly who owes you money, how long they've owed it, and keep your cash flow in check. Running this report regularly is one of the simplest but most powerful habits you can build into your business workflow. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.